Mwiriwe, amakuru, mumeze mute. Good afternoon. Hello, how are you? I hope you are doing well. I'm Denise, your Kinyarwanda teacher. If you're here for the first time, please let's start with the pronunciation of our title. This is the name of our language. Kinyarwanda. Kinyarwanda. Can you repeat? Kinyarwanda. I hope you are enjoying my videos that I'm putting together to help you to be able to pronounce Kinyarwanda, to learn Kinyarwanda, to revise Kinyarwanda. If you are studying Kinyarwanda, I hope you find this useful for revising your lessons. And if you're here for the first time also, I would like to tell you that every week or other week I put different videos, but also I'm putting 100 verbs of Kinyarwanda, and I have already put 60 verbs, and now I'm going to put another 10, so which will make 70 verbs. I hope with the 70 verbs you can speak very good Kinyarwanda already. But don't worry if you are just opening my videos and you want to follow up, so please go back into my videos and you can find all Kinyarwanda verbs that I have put in place. Not only verbs, because I put some pronunciation videos, I have put some conversation with my colleague, I have put so many things, I have so many videos which are really good and helpful for people who want to learn Kinyarwanda. Kinyarwanda is a very beautiful language, and if you really like it, please follow my videos. And also if you want to learn, you can contact me so that I can teach you Kinyarwanda. So let's start. We have 10 verbs today, as we always put only 10 verbs. The reason why I put 10 verbs is like I don't want really to make you feel overwhelmed or frustrated because I'm giving you too much. I just want to give you a little by little so that you can also have time to revise and to study those words. Because it's not all about just listening and repeating the words, it's also about to learn them. So if you have started to follow my videos since I started, and now you are on your list of 70 verbs, that means you have learned a lot, and I hope you're able to use the words that you have learned with me. If not, also don't worry, you still have time, but I want you to really hurry up and start to memorize those verbs. Because if you know verbs and you know the rules about conjugation, let's say you are studying Kinyarwanda, so this is gonna be easy. You might be studying Kinyarwanda with other teachers online or on your own because you are reading rules and you know how to make sentences, how to conjugate verbs. So this might be also useful because if you know a verb and you know the rules about conjugation, I think it's gonna be easy for you to make a sentence. So in different ways you can really find this useful, but also you can give me some feedback in the comment section if you wanna let me know how I can improve my lessons or what I can put which are useful for you guys. I'm teaching, I'm not learning. So if you are really learning Kinyarwanda and you want to give some suggestion, some feedback, feel free to give them to me in my comment section or on my email that I will put in description. Okay, without delay, let's just start our 10 verbs list today. I have put some interesting verbs. To shower, kwiyuhagira, kwiyuhagira. To clean up, kwandurura, kwandurura. Clean up, let's say after eating you can clean up the place where you're eating in, or just to tidy up things, to put things away, or just to clean the space. Kwanura, not clean, because we have so many verbs about cleaning. Oh, you guys, if we start together, I think you know how many verbs we have for cleaning. So when I say clean up, it's not really cleaning, it's like really to organize your space and to put things away in different places. To sweep. Sweep is gukubura. Gukubura. Please remember that every time I'm pronouncing the word, you better repeat after me so that you can also train yourself in the good pronunciation. Gukubura. To mop. Let's say you are using the water to clean your floor, to mop, as you know, or use a towel or something to clean your floor. It's gukoropa. Gukoropa. We have to wash clothes. I put to wash clothes because we use other verbs to wash, just for to wash things. We have different verbs, but today we are talking about to wash clothes. Kumesa. Kumesa. Or gufura. This is Swahili. This is the word is coming from Swahili, kufua. So it's the word that some people use, depends. Most of people come from West Africa, they might learn this easily. But we might hear it in Kinyarwanda, we say gufura, but you know that this Swahili. And kumesa is, we use as a Kinyarwanda word. So both are used the same way. So the cleaning. I give you only five cleaning verbs, but I think we have maybe like 10 or more, because we like cleaning. Rwandan, they love cleaning. Anything you clean might have a different verb. So cleaning clothes, cleaning dishes, cleaning fruit when you want to eat fruit, cleaning the floor, cleaning the table. So you might have different cleaning, maybe 10, but today I'll just give you 5. Just learn this 5 cleaning verbs first. And then we have to send someone. So I didn't just say like it's to send, because we have already covered to send. So now it's to send someone. Like you send someone to do something, you say gutuma. Gutuma. To pass, and also this pass by some places, you say kunyura. Kunyura. We have to worry, which we have as an expression in Kinyarwanda, kugira impungenge. There's no verb that is to worry. It's just an expression we use. Kugira is to have. You remember we had it before. Kugira is to have, and impungenge is worries. So to have worries. So basically it's to worry in English. So in Kinyarwanda we say kugira impungenge. So for example, you want to say I'm worried, mfite impungenge. Mfite impungenge, I'm worried. Or don't worry, ntugire impungenge. Ntugire impungenge. So we use it in different ways, but this is the verb we can use for to worry, together with impungenge. To park. This is an English verb, and we put it in Kinyarwanda. Guparika. Guparika. To type. Kwandikisha imashini. Kwandikisha. So remember, we have covered also kwandika, which is to write. Kwandika. But kwandikisha, you write with something, so it means to type. And I put imashini as like computer or machine. To kwandikisha imashini. Because we also don't have really original word like to type as a word. You know, like sometimes we have many verbs that we use that are coming from other languages, so we don't have really any borrowed word for type. That's why we use like write with a machine, type. You can use kwandikisha telephone. You can use type with something else. So kwandikisha, and you put something. But most of the time we type with, let's say, computer. That's why I put kwandikisha imashini. This is it. this is what I had planned for you to learn other 10 verbs. Remember, every time, repeat after me, and every time try to memorize at least 10 verbs in a week, if you can. And not only memorizing, I want you to use them. I want you to try to use them. I know if it's the first time you're coming to my channel, and first time you see this, or first time you are learning Kinyarwanda, you're not going to start with these verbs, but you can know them. You can just have a list of verbs. Maybe you make flashcards, or maybe you write them somewhere, or maybe just repeat and learn them. But the use of verbs, it will demand another level. So you have to really know how to conjugate verbs, which we can do in a class. So I invite you to join our class. We have groups, we have individual classes, we have online, we have in person. So all types of learning. When I say we have, it means me and my team, because it's not only me. I also have a team of 3 people that we are doing Kinyarwanda together. You might see them in other videos, or you might see them in our classes or in different places. But of course, we are a team of teachers. We collaborate, we work together. So I have trained them how to teach Kinyarwanda, and they're doing very well. So it means like if you contact me or contact them, so they are all able to teach you Kinyarwanda. Thank you so much. I hope you find this useful. And also I invite you to subscribe if you haven't subscribed on my channel. Teacher Denise, Kinyarwanda teacher, your best Kinyarwanda teacher. And thank you so much. Thank you. I can't thank you enough how you guys are supporting me, giving me ideas, and also contacting me for teaching you. So through those videos. So one of the reasons that I put all these videos, it's like to also let you know that I exist if you haven't heard about me, so that you know I give Kinyarwanda classes and I teach and online or in person. So wherever you are, don't hesitate to contact me, because I can teach you in your comfort zone, in your room, in your office, in your house. I can just teach you online. Or you can join me in Remera, where I have my office in Kigali. Murakoze cyane, umugoroba mwiza. Thank you very much. Have a good evening. Bye bye.